Hello. If you're watching this video, it means that you're interested in taking AP Biology. Now, this is a course that I absolutely love teaching, and I'm here to tell you why you would love taking this class. So, AP Biology is the equivalent of a full year of college introductory biology. So, if you really excel in this course, like in college, some colleges, they just give you like a full year's credit of intro bio. I've had students got a 5 on this AP exam, and they went to Pitt and got out of 2 intro courses a full year. And if you think about it, that's great, right? That's a lot of money. It's a lot of time that you could be spending on other things. So that's just one reason to take the class. So what exactly is AP Bio all about? Well, it's really about 4 big ideas, and you can see them on the screen here, and you can, pause the video and read through them if you'd like, but I'm going to summarize them into 4 things. Big idea 1, this course is about evolution, all right? How have living things changed over time? How have they diversified? How are living things interrelated? Boom, evolution. Second thing, energy. This course is about how do living things conserve energy, transform energy, use energy, that kind of stuff. 3, this class is about heredity. How is the information to build us stored within a genetic code, and how does that genetic code get activated, operated, turned on, turned off, changed, passed on, that sort of stuff. And last thing, big idea 4, is interactions. How are there interactions within life at all levels, from the molecular level, we're talking biochemistry, to the cellular level, cells, tissues, organs, organisms, all the way up to the biosphere and populations and communities. How do we interact at all those levels? Now, what's really cool about AP Biology is it's not just about content. AP Biology is about skills too. And specifically, it's about what we call the 6 science practices. So in this course, it is a heavily lab-focused course and analysis-focused course. So you would be designing labs, implementing labs, editing labs to make them better, that sort of thing, working together in teams to figure out and answer and address different questions. And we would try to get you to address these 6 science practices here, including the ability to explain biological concepts and models, analyze visual representations, so like figures and graphs and diagrams, determine what's an appropriate scientific question and good methods. You'd learn how to represent and describe data using tables and graphs. You'll also learn how to use some statistical tests and mathematical calculations to analyze data. And that goes from simple things like averages, means, medians, modes, to more advanced things like chi-square tests and standard error and standard deviation. And science practice 6 is that you would develop and justify scientific arguments using evidence, all right? So it's, cool stuff. So you're not just having, AP Bio is not just about memorizing a bunch of ideas. It's about you being a scientist and thinking like a scientist and asking questions like a scientist and designing experiments and evaluating them yourself. So that's a really neat thing, I think, about this course, that this course has to offer that maybe, you might not get in some other places. And just to mention, we do have lots of labs in here, as I said already, but we've got all sorts of cool ones here. Everything from looking at behavior of fruit flies and how they're influenced by their environment, to looking at enzymes found in the human body and seeing how they're affected by environmental factors, to looking at actually taking bacteria and transforming them, genetically engineering them, and inserting genes that they didn't have before to give them new traits that they had never had. We've got a whole bunch of different kinds of labs here that are exciting and neat that I think you would get a lot out of, and that a lot of colleges use too. So you would really get a head start. So that's AP Bio, 4 big ideas, 6 science practices, a whole bunch of labs, and of course, a good time. All right. So hopefully you consider taking this class. Looking forward to seeing you next year. If you have any questions, stop down by S12. That's where I am. I'd be happy to talk with you and tell you why this is a class that could help you out, no matter what you're looking at for the future. Cool. Thanks.